Why don't seniors in Texas worry about playing hide and seek? Because even the property taxes can't find them after they turn 65. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on Texas property tax for seniors. Tip 1. Understand your rights. Seniors in Texas enjoy several rights when it comes to property tax. Texas law offers a $10,000 exemption on school district taxes for homeowners aged 65 and older. In addition, a further $3,000 exemption is applied toward the property taxes seniors owe other types of taxing units. Stay informed about these rights to ensure you are not overpaying. Tip 2. Apply for homestead exemptions. If you're a senior in Texas, it's crucial to apply for homestead exemptions. In terms of property tax, a homestead refers to the primary residence owned by a senior. Seniors can benefit from further tax exemptions by designating their Texas home as a homestead. Tip 3. Consider tax deferrals. Texas senior homeowners can also defer their property taxes. The law allows seniors to postpone paying property taxes until they decide to sell their home. However, although a deferral will stop a tax suit, it does not cancel penalties, interests, or abatement charges. Tip 4. Stay updated with tax rates. It's essential to stay updated with tax rates in your area. Tax rates can fluctuate year by year, so keep a lookout for any changes that could either increase or decrease your property tax. Tip 5. Appeal property tax assessments. If you believe your property tax assessment is too high, do not hesitate to appeal it. You can contest the appraisal value by filing a protest with your local appraisal district. Tip 6. Seek a property tax consultant. The process of managing property taxes can be difficult and confusing. Hiring a property tax consultant can help manage the complex processes and ensure you're utilizing every available tax benefit. Tip 7. Consider tax ceiling certificates. When homeowners turn 65 or become disabled and apply for a tax ceiling from school taxes, they might qualify for the same percentage of tax reduction from other types of taxing units if they adopt the tax ceiling provision. Tip 8. Educate yourself about tax deeds. A tax deed is a legal document that grants ownership of a property to a government body when the property owner does not pay the taxes due on the property. Therefore, it is essential to understand the implications of tax deeds to avoid losing your property. Tip 9. Take advantage of the surviving spouse provision. If a homeowner over 65 passes away, their spouse can still benefit from their tax exemptions as long as they are 55 years or older and still reside in the home. Tip 10. Understand special appraisals. Some types of properties can qualify for special appraisal values. For example, agricultural or open space land is generally appraised on its capacity to produce income, which can lead to lower property taxes. Tip 11. Consult local property tax office. When in doubt, consult your local property tax office. They can provide you with detailed information about property tax laws, available exemptions, and how to apply for them, as well as answer any questions you might have.